What if you could grow your savings at one of the highest interest rates available? But there's a catch. You need to meet specific requirements and navigate a few quirks along the way. That's what Popular Direct's high-yield savings account offers. But is it worth it? Today, we're diving deep into the pros and cons of Popular Direct's high-yield savings account to help you decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Let's start with some context. Popular Direct is an online-only division of Popular Bank, which has been around for over 125 years. It specializes in high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs), offering competitive rates designed to help you grow your money faster than traditional savings accounts. But as with any financial product, there are benefits and drawbacks to consider. Pros of Popular Direct high-yield savings. Highly competitive APY. One of the biggest draws of Popular Direct's high-yield savings account is its APY, which currently sits at an impressive 4.85%. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for savings accounts, making it an excellent option for those looking to maximize their savings growth. Low minimum deposit to open. You can open a Popular Direct high-yield savings account with just $100. This low barrier to entry makes it accessible for savers who may not have a large initial deposit but still want to take advantage of competitive interest rates. No monthly maintenance fees. Unlike many traditional banks that charge monthly fees, Popular Direct doesn't impose any maintenance fees on its high-yield savings account. This means every dollar you save stays in your account and works toward earning interest. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, Popular Direct is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in worst-case scenarios. User-friendly online banking. As an online-only bank, Popular Direct offers a streamlined digital experience through its website and mobile app. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, and manage your account from anywhere at any time. Extended customer service hours. Popular Direct offers extended phone support hours compared to many other online banks. If you run into issues or have questions about your account, help is just a call away, even outside standard business hours. No balance tiers for interest rates. The APY applies uniformly across all balances once you meet the minimum deposit requirement. Whether you have $100 or $100,000 in your account, you'll earn the same competitive rate. Cons of Popular Direct high-yield savings. Account closure fee. If you close your account within 180 days of opening it, you'll be charged a $25 fee. While this isn't a deal-breaker for most people planning to keep their money parked long-term, it's something to be aware of if flexibility is important to you. No physical branches. As an online-only bank, Popular Direct doesn't have physical branches where you can handle transactions in person. If you prefer face-to-face interactions or need in-branch services, this could be a drawback. Limited transfer options initially. For the first 70 days after opening your account, you're required to use only one linked external bank account for transfers. This restriction might feel limiting if you're used to managing multiple accounts or need more flexibility early on. No ATM access or debit card. Unlike some high-yield savings accounts that come with ATM cards for easy cash withdrawals, Popular Direct does not offer this feature. To access your funds, you'll need to transfer money to an external bank account first, a process that can take time depending on processing speeds. High minimum balances for CDs. While this doesn't directly impact the savings account itself, it's worth noting that Popular Direct certificates of deposit require a minimum deposit of $10,000, much higher than what many other banks require. No checking account option. Popular Direct focuses solely on savings accounts and CDs. It doesn't offer checking accounts or other financial products under its platform. If you're looking for a one-stop shop for all your banking needs, this could be a limitation. Withdrawal limits. Like most savings accounts, Popular Direct enforces federal regulations that limit certain types of withdrawals to 6 per month. Exceeding this limit could result in penalties or even account closure. Transfer delays. Transferring funds between Popular Direct and an external bank can take several business days, depending on processing times. This delay might not be ideal if you need quick access to your money in an emergency. Who is Popular Direct High Yield Savings best for? Popular Direct's High Yield Savings account is an excellent choice for individuals who want one of the highest APYs available in today's market, are comfortable managing their finances entirely online. Popular Direct stands out in the crowded world of online banking by offering one of the most competitive interest rates available today without charging monthly fees or requiring sky-high minimum balances to open an account. However, its limitations, such as no ATM access and restrictions on transfers, mean it won't suit everyone's needs perfectly. So now that we've laid out both sides, is Popular Direct's High Yield Savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.